Here's a quick tip on how to stay on side in the overall larger trend and also pick out just a handful of levels that you should trade from based on the volume profile. So, a general rule that I like to look at is overall, right? It's very simple to see if you have lower lows, lower highs in the market, right? Great. Okay, we're going down. This is a larger downtrend. But where is this thing expected to continue? Now, from that perspective, I want to look at the individual RTH sessions that lead up to the current session as well as the ETH. But I want to take a look at the RTH sessions a little more. I want to understand where the balance top and the balance bottom of those RTH sessions is, right? Generally speaking, where you have the large balance where it drops off in the thinner volume from the prior RTH. If we're still under or within, but to the downside of that balance, I generally want to lean bearish. That means the top band is somewhere at 25,440 on NASDAQ. The bottom band is somewhere at 25,350 on NASDAQ. So either one of these two areas are going to be used as resistance to continue the potential downside move. Until we flip above, that's going to be my directional shift. Yes, naturally, there are going to be areas where you can find buyers at lower prices. I'm not arguing that. But generally speaking, if I want to stay on side, I want to look at individual balances and locate where they're at so that if we're within them or under them, I'm generally going to be looking for that downside continuation. Even if you take the overall balances from the overnight, right? The top band of this balance area is about 25,350 again on NASDAQ. The bottom band over here is at about 200,195. So realistically, if I'm under the top band of it, I should still be bearish. I'm looking for some of that downside potential. So even if I'm looking at the large composite profiles and I'm a bit confused as to what's going on, take a look at the individual profiles. How are we moving? Is it lower lows, lower highs? And then locate where the balances are and ask yourself, where are we in relation to those balances? Is it creating the opportunity for that sell side, or are we starting to shift the momentum and the structure? So if you want to learn more about auction market theory, check out community.tradeproacademy.com.